Guys, welcome to my channel, Gusty's Plants, and today I have a subscription box from Sipsby. This is a tea subscription box for I think $15 a month. You get to try different teas. So you go to the website, you create your profile, you put your preference, black tea, green tea, if you like flavored black teas, flavored green teas. You pretty much customize the type of tea that you like, and based on your likings they send you teas. So let's go ahead and start with January Sipsby box from 2021. Keep watching. So guys, here is the logo of the box. Really nice decorative box. And the first thing you look at when you open it is this little card. This little card says on January, and then it says made specifically for me. So this thing right here kind of gives you the name of the tea so you're gonna receive, and then it kind of gives you brewing directions, flavor notes, and it also gives you, if you like the tea, you can also go to the website and get a little discount from that particular tea. That's really cool. So let's go ahead and see what teas. Now my profile is linked to have only loose leaf teas. I don't like any back teas. I want to get loose leaf. So let's see how Sipsby did on my first delivery. So the first thing I have here is 4 different teas from Badam Teas. I like Badam. So this is the sweet cinnamon chai tea, India's authentic masala chai house recipe. I love me a good chai tea, and I've had Badam before, and this is a loose leaf. But let's go ahead and open it up and see if it's a loose leaf or not. Open it up. It's not a loose leaf, unfortunately. It's actually a tea bag. So I'm not happy with receiving a tea bag, even though my preference is 100% loose leaf, so that's not a good job from them. I'll try it out and see how I like it. The next tea I got here is the Bare Leaves tea. This one is a Fujian Oolong, 1 tablespoon per 8 ounces of water. This oolong was grown in eastern Fujian province in China. It has medium oxidation level and toasty flavor. Ingredients: pure oolong tea leaves. I've never really had a Fujian Oolong tea before. I know that Chinese tea, it's more like delicate, and it tends to be very strong in the flavor of green tea. So I'm kind of excited to try this. This is more like a tea that I would drink in the morning, or maybe when I'm eating like something warm, just to like help to, relax my stomach. So I'm definitely excited, and this is a loose leaf tea, so I'm very happy with receiving a loose leaf tea. So yeah, next. And the next tea that I have here is the digestive herbal. This is from the Tea Heaven. It's a premium Indian tea. Ingredients: lemongrass, ginger, fennel, seeds, white pepper, and peppermint. It sounds very delicious. It sounds very herbally and strong, so I'm very excited. I tend to like green teas that have like other components. This one has peppermint and fennel seed. I love fennel on my tea, so I'm very excited to try this one out. Yes, very excited, and I've never had the Tea Heaven, and that's something that I like about Sipsby, that you get to try different brands of teas that you've never heard of before, and you get to expand your horizons when it comes to different companies, and some of them are really starting out, so you get a good bang for your buck and really good quality tea. So the Tea Heaven digestive herbal, I'm excited to try this out. It's an herbal tea, but it also has, I think, green tea, right? Or no, actually no, it doesn't have green tea. It just has herbs. So excited to try this one out. Alright guys, and my last tea right here is this, which is the Davidsons Organic Earl Grey Cream. This one here has certified organic black tea, calendula flowers, corn flowers, and natural flavor. contains caffeine. It is a black tea, Earl Grey's black tea. You guys, if you watch my videos, you guys know that I love Earl Grey tea, a good cup of Earl Grey tea. So I'm very excited to try this one out. However, a lot of Earl Greys tend to be hit or miss. They tend to be very lemony and floral, and sometimes they tend to be very weak. So it's very hard to find a good Earl Grey tea that's like right in between, that's not so citrusy and floral, or it's not too weak and bland. So I've tried David's teas before, so I'm very excited to try this one out. I like that it is USDA organic. A lot of teas and a lot of products out there are not USDA organic because it's so expensive to get the stamp in your product, even though they might be. So the fact that they were able to get the USDA organic logo on their products is very rewarding. So I like that, and I cannot wait to try this one out. And that kind of concludes my Sipsby for the month of January. Let me know in the comments below if you like this type of videos. I'll be making more plant videos as well. I have an upcoming what's going on with my Imperialis Hoya. Is it growing? Like an update, and I also have an update on my string of heart seed, which a lot of people are asking me to do an update, so I'll do an update on that. But anyways guys, thank you so much for watching, and have a good one, have a good night, and take care. Bye. Don't forget to drink water, drink tea, and water your plants.